Hello, beautiful people. My name is Terry. Welcome to Terry Mimo Home. So, on today's video is gonna be about village life plus cleaning. And before that, let me appreciate you guys. What? We are at 300 subscribers. Yay! Thank you, guys. I really do appreciate. Thank you. Oh my God, be blessed. Continue supporting your girl. Oh, I'm so happy. Huh? Thank you so much, guys. So, and ignore the background noise. Yeah, so let's get right into the video. Today I have a lot lined up, so we are going to start by cleaning the living room. Then we fetch water from the river, then do laundry. In the village we don't have a washing machine, so tunaosha na mikono. I mean hand washing. Yeah.
Lights they flicker and the candles glitter like you're in a thriller. Heart goes pum pum pum. Ghostly figures they can get so bitter. Sure you want to enter, you can turn back now. You don't know where I've been. What's going on inside? Where the monsters like to come alive, come alive. Do you really wanna know me? I'm really not that cozy. It's up to you, so you decide, you decide. Could you love me up my words till the coffin's in the dirt? Try to break me like a curse, you know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd. I like dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion, but could you love a haunted, haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you'll just check it out. A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. Na 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 na. Broken windows and a warning scribbled on my wall saying that you better turn around. Wouldn't be the first to try to burn me down. Your move, you do. Could you love me up my words till the coffin's in the dirt? Try to break me like a curse, you know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd. I like dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion, but could you love a haunted, haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you'll just check it out. A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. Na 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 na. Na na na. Could you love a haunted, haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're just taking side. A haunted, haunted. I'm a haunted house.
Living room is clean. Let's go fetch water from the river. We have a borehole, but the borehole water is brown and water level is dropping. I guess the person who was given the job did a shoddy work. So before they sort out the issue, let's go to the river. That's my brother.
Whispered promises straight to my heart. I'd never noticed, but you were never there, you were never there. Hey, you gave me roses.
Yo, welcome to village life. Fetching water from the river can be challenging because of long queues in the river, walking long distance, but to me this was fun. I really enjoyed. Yeah, and this is another way to keep fit.
Think you better run, I swear. Follow you no matter where. Think you better run, I swear. Follow you no matter where.
I love village life because the environment is peaceful, life is simple, you eat fresh, green and clean vegetable.
You say we're not meant for each other. Oh, I'm not sure of this. I won't give up on this, I won't give up. Cause I don't wanna behave like the one to flee, like the one to leave. I never surrender, but ever remember my lover. Did you give up on me? Have you never learned a lesson?
I get to enjoy the beautiful gift of nature, and here guys, you breathe pure air.
Be this night, maybe just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way that it's never going there. I think it better run, I swear. I'll follow you no matter where. Think it better run, I swear. Follow you no matter where. Think it better run, I swear. Follow you no matter where. Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out cause you were in red. Men, against my intentions,
I'm telling you guys, getting that jerry can on my back was where it was not easy.
Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. As long as it's with you.
Laundry time, I'm using Toss liquid detergent. I love the scent. It leaves your clothes smelling fresh. It is not harsh on your hands. Yeah.
Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle November. You and I, flights to wherever. I don't mind as long as it's with you. 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 New Year's Eve, 300 miles, counting down. Next year will be close. I will wait as long as it's for you.
Think about the times you let me go, falling through the cracks, emotional. I struggle to see what your reasons are. Sitting in your palace, silence breaks my heart. Turn the key, used to be our getaway car. Now I only wanna get away from where we are. Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head on the water, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you. till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video till the end. Thank you, be blessed. Until next time, bye.